In the midst of cultural beliefs and legal views, can the Philippines embrace same-sex marriage? This documentary takes a neutral stance about the preparedness of the Philippines to accept same-sex marriage.
The legalization of same-sex marriage in Philippines has been a concern in almost all of the countries and has been a controversial subject in today's society. Same-sex marriage, also known as gay marriage, has been defined as the marriage of two persons of the same sex or gender, entered into a civil or religious ceremony. The Philippines is currently facing a significant debate on the acceptance of same-sex marriage, sparking discussions among lawmakers, religious leaders, and the public. These contentious issues has brought to light the complex intersection of tradition, religion, and human rights in Filipino society.
No.
Yes.
No.
Sex marriage.
Agree po.
Disagree ako kasi hindi naman sa discrimination sa gender. Para sa akin kasi lalaki at babae lang.
Sex marriage.
Hindi.
I think handa na po sila sa dami na rin po ng mga LGBTQ na kumakalat sa Pilipinas. So I think pwede na po.
I think
Sex marriage. In terms of people po around us, pwedeng ang maging sagot ka lang dyan is depende. Kasi meron mga tao na maybe at the age of around 18 up until 30s to 40s, ang sagot nila is more on sure na yes. Pero pag akit pa ng mga ganong age, maybe hindi na like 50 up, they might neglect na the same-sex marriage kasi nga lumaki sila sa traditional way of marriage, which is a girl and a boy. So parang hindi talaga sila agree because of maybe dahil Pilipinas din to and they are traditional and they stick to the religion.
Para sa akin, oo naman. Kasi, syempre, kasama rin naman sila sa bilang ng tao dito sa gobyerno. Kaya, tsaka tao din naman sila. So, may karapatan din sila sa pantay-pantay na binibigay ng gobyerno para sa mga. For me, sa same-sex marriage, yes. Kasi, syempre, na rin sila, tao din sila. So, may mga pangangailangan din sila na kagaya rin sa mga mag-asawang babae at lalaki.
Yes. Yes naman kasi human rights tayo lagi tayong equal sa mga katulad nating tao.
Oh yes, oo naman. Siyempre, tao din naman sila na ganun, mamahal. Tsaka likha din sila ng Diyos. So, for me, oo. Dahil, syempre, isa rin ako sa same-sex hindi lang sa same-sex na, pero same-sex na relationship. So, agree ako dun. For me kasi, syempre, tao lang din naman kami. So, hindi naman porket nagkaroon kami ng same relationship as same gender namin, na kami, parang makasalanan na kami. Syempre, may mga tao rin na kahit straight kang babae, straight kang lalaki, nakakagawa din ng pagkakasala or more worse pa.
Sex marriage po.
Disagree.
Bakit po?
Because God created Adam and Eve only.
Kasi, kumbaga, kasal kayo sa simbahan, di ba? So, kumbaga parang, siya relihiyosong kasal. Kaya kailangan natin ingatan. Kasi yun yung pag-isang dibdib ng isang tao. Isang lalaki at isang babae, di ba? Kaya, yun, kailangan isang pangalagaan. Bali kasi, yun yung kinamulatnan natin. So, yun naman talaga yung dapat din sa religion din, based sa mga religion natin. Siyempre, mas sa atin, siyempre nagmula tayo sa mga ibang religion, nagmula tayo nila iba't Adan, yan. So, gawa tayo ng Diyos. So, ang kasi nila, binibase na nila yun sa religion. Kaya mas sa society ang babae at lalaki at hindi pa nila tinatanggap yung same-sex marriage na tinatawag natin ngayon.
Agree.
Kasi nga po, yun talaga yung yung design ng Panginoon yun sa atin. Kaya nga niya binigay yung unang tao. Diba, yung creation ng Panginoon talaga is Adam and Eve only. Wala talagang design ng Panginoon na same-sex. Pag lumampas ka na doon sa Bible, biblically kasi tayo lagi tayo, mga Pilipino, mostly tayo, conservative pa nga tayo Kaya kailangan, lang tayo, pero hindi natin inaano yung mga we love LGBTQ siyempre. Pero kailangan nandun pa rin tayo sa tama. Dun sa Panginoon pa rin tayo, sa Diyos pa rin tayo.
Ganun sila, palagi natin sila i-chapera. Kailangan
Love our neighbors pa rin.
Di rin naman nilang gustong maging ganun yung nararamdaman nila kung sino man sila sa pagkatao nila. Pero hindi rin ibig sabihin kailangan natin silang kamuhian. Dapat may time na sumangguhan sila sa Panginoon upang malaman nila yung tama na nasa Bible yun, sa Book of Rome yun. Di ko lang alam kung anong pero...
At saka yun yung talaga yung sin ng unang panahon natin, yung Sodom and Gomorrah. Kung alam nyo yun, yung backward nyo yung Old Testament. Sodom and Gomorrah ay pinarusahan siya ng Panginoon dahil sa ganung kasalanan. Yung same-sex marriage. Diba? Ginuho ng Panginoon yung Sodom and Gomorrah. Kaya, no ako, disagree.
Ako din, hindi dahil talaga inaano ko sila. Kailangan talaga maituwid. Kailangan lumapit sila sa Panginoon.
Yes to same-sex marriage because it's okay for the same sex to be partners because we don't hold their decision, we respect their decision. Yes, because as a supporter, I believe that all consenting adults should have the right to marry, regardless of their sexual or gender orientation.
Yes, I agree to same-sex marriage to have an equality to all individuals, regardless of their sexual orientation. They should have the right to marry and access the legal benefits that come with it.
Yes, because all people should have the right to marry the person they love, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity.
Yes, I agree. For me, Philippines is not ready on the same-sex marriage because our country is so religious. We believe that men and women can love each other.
No, same-sex marriage should not be legalized because as Christians who believe in the Bible, it stated that only men and women should live as a partner.
No, I stand for disagree because men and women should be only married or be partners.
For me, no, same-sex marriage should not be legalized because it is confusing for children.
No, for me, same-sex marriage may confuse children regarding gender roles, procreation, and societal expectations.
No, for me, legalizing same-sex marriage would weaken the honor and prestige of marriage as a fundamental institution.
Yes, as of now, the Philippines don't acknowledge of legalization of same-sex marriage. Since the Philippines is also a Christian country, most of Filipinos are religious and part of Catholicism, and as well not agree with the same-sex marriage. But the LGBTQ desperately want equal rights for each one, who is part of their community, and live their life freely with no fears. But they must follow the law and respect the decision of our officials.
Whether or not not someone considers same-sex marriage important is subjective and based on personal beliefs. It is important to consider the rights and freedoms of all individuals when discussing this issue.
Legalizing same-sex marriages offers numerous benefits, including increased wedding and industry spending, social inclusion, equality, and family stability, as well as stimulating the economy. It also strengthens the nation's reputation for diversity and human rights, attracting investment and tourism.